you headed, little lady?
Nowhere with you numbnuts. Buzz off.
히치하이킹을 하는 여성이 있는데 그녀는 멋진 차보다 전기회사의 차를 타는데 더 관심을 보입니다.
You guys wouldn't be going up to Mill Valley, would you? How long you been in the Western Gas Electric Company business?
그들은 여성이 데려간 곳으로 가 맥주를 마시기로 합니다. 그런데 담배를 피는 남자의 뒤로 누군가가 보입니다. 그들은 이렇게 이곳에 유인되어 죽고 맙니다.
Come on, it's a heart attack.
Come on, get up. Get up. Get up, get up. Get up.
어느 레스토랑에 있던 심장마비라는 남자도 해리에겐 통하지 않습니다.
Thanks a lot, Harry.
You're squawking about it. You got the free meal, didn't you?
Harry, it's in all units.
They grabbed 4 hostages. They said they're going to start shooting them one by one unless we give them a car and let them go.
해리는 이번엔 또 인질 사건 현장에 가게 됩니다.
Move it!
No.
First, we want all the pigs out of here. Second, we want a car with a police radio.
What do they want?
I want a car.
What are you going to do?
인질범들이 차를 요구하자 해리는 자신의 방식으로 차를 타고 돌진해 버립니다. 범인들은 처리했지만 서장은 해리의 방식이 마음에 들지 않습니다.
$379. Not to mention 3 hostages in the hospital, all of whom will probably sue the city.
You're on notice, Callahan. This little Wild West show of yours yesterday is exactly the kind of thing this department's no longer prepared to tolerate.
That's all, Captain. I've got work to do.
But not in homicide.
What?
그리고 해리는 다른 부서로 가게 됩니다.
But I'm coming out, see, and I got a hostage.
인사부에선 면접 시험이 진행 중입니다.
There's no way you're going to take me alive.
Hey, don't just stand there, goddammit. Do something.
You did. You're late, Callahan. Sorry about that. Be 5 men and 3 women. Promoted to inspector out of this group. 3 women.
Do you object, Inspector?
여자 형사는 드문 존재라 해리는 여자를 뽑는 상황이 익숙치가 않은 것 같습니다.
Broaden the areas of participation for women in the police force.
That sounds very stylish.
Officer Moore? Yes, sir.
How long have you been on the force?
9 years.
What department?
Mainly personnel and records.
Have you any questions for the applicant? Well, Officer Moore, maybe you'll tell us all here about your most important felony arrest.
I've never made a felony arrest.
Then what the hell gives you the right to become an inspector when there's men have been out there on the street for 10 or 15 years?
The woman's place is in the home. Is that what you're trying to say?
Well, if she fails out there, she gets her ass blown off.
It's my ass.
면접을 보는 무어는 공격을 하는 해리에게 기죽지 않고 당당하게 대처합니다.
If I come home with her for $5, she'll put on an exhibition with a Shetland pony.
If this is your idea of humor, Inspector.
I'm just trying to find out if anybody in this room knows what the hell law is being broken besides cruelty to animals.
That's a conspiracy under Title 7, Section 182, Paragraph 1 of the California State Penal Code.
해리는 곤란하게 하려는 자신의 질문에도 똑똑하게 대답하는 무어에게 깊은 인상을 받습니다.
After I take care of the guard and get his keys, we drive to the far end of Warehouse 58.
한편 히치하이킹을 하던 여자와 일당들은 또 어디론가가 일을 저지르려 합니다.
Dynamite, detonators, and any plastics.
What is it? Gas company.
What's the trouble?
We got a major gas leak in the area. We got to check out your underground pipes.
역시나 또 사람을 죽이고 물건들을 훔치려 하는데
Now he left the gate open. Better check it.
순찰하던 경찰이 수상한 것을 눈치챕니다.
Law's rocket.
그들은 로켓을 훔치며 좋아하는데 경찰이 모습을 드러내며 그들을 제압하려 합니다.
All of you, hold it right there.
Put those boxes down.
Now, all of you, against the fence.
하지만 그 과정에서 경찰도 칼에 찔리고 미키라는 여자도 총에 맞게 됩니다.
Bobby, hey, Bobby, help me get her.
Come on, man. You're just going to screw around and get us caught.
Man, she's all right. We're gonna make it.
Forget it. She's dead.
She's not dead.
Hell, she is.
바비라는 남자는 직접 동료를 총으로 쏴 죽이는 잔인성을 보입니다.
Please!
Police! Hold on fire!
Harry, listen. The punk that cut me. I've seen him before.
해리의 파트너는 다행히 의식을 찾았고 해리에게 범인에 대한 단서를 알려줍니다.
Up in the Fillmore district, he was one of the pimps we questioned. Yeah, one of the cutesy pie little boy names Charlie something. Bobby.
We want $1 million or we start blowing things up.
시민혁명대라는 그들은 돈을 요구하며 협박을 시작합니다.
I'm just telling you, I'm gonna nail the guy who carved Giorgio if I have to do it on my own time.
That won't be necessary.
해리는 이제 다시 강력계로 복귀하여 이 사건을 수사하게 됩니다.
No.
Shall I tell you my instinct on this? Black militants.
No, it keeps coming up hookers. The girl who was shot in the warehouse is Michaela Waleska. She was a known prostitute. Partner?
그리고 서장은 해리의 새 파트너를 소개하는데 해리는 아주 놀라고 맙니다.
Inspector, I realize that you were not particularly overjoyed by this assignment because you don't think I'm up to it, do you?
Right.
3 inches in diameter, which fires a single projectile that is designed to penetrate armor plating up to the thickness of 3/4 of an inch.
범인들이 훔쳐간 로켓은 차 한 대를 날릴 정도로 위험한 무기입니다.
I meant to tell you how sorry I am about your partner.
It's not the first one I've lost.
무어는 해리의 파트너들이 자주 위험한 상황이었다는 것을 알고 있었습니다.
How'd you know that?
I checked on your records.
Black guy with a briefcase. I know him from somewhere.
Tan suit?
Yeah.
I'd say, an educated guess, it was one of those killing knives, a Marine Corps Bowie or one of those Special Forces Randalls.
무어는 아직 시체 보는 것이 익숙치 않아 힘들어합니다. 그런데 그때 건물에 폭발 사고가 일어납니다.
Explosion, did you? No. You sure? Black guy with a tan hat and suit, briefcase?
Hey, I did see a guy like that.
Was he a short guy, about 5'1"?
No, this dude was 6 foot.
That's him.
무어는 무언가를 해리에게 말하고 싶어 하지만 무시를 당하는데
I just saw him.
Who?
A tan suit and a hat and a briefcase. There he is, look.
범인이 지금 어디 있는지를 정확히 알고 있었습니다. 범인은 급하게 무언가 든 가방을 쓰레기통에 버리는데 무어가 그것을 꺼내들고 뛰기 시작합니다.
You're under arrest.
In the name of God, man, this is a church. What are you doing?
Callahan, Inspector.
I think you're a disgrace to this city.
결국 해리는 교회까지 도망친 범인을 잡고 맙니다.
Well, he isn't talking, but we've got a make on him. His name is Henry Lee Caldwell, and he's a member of a black militant group called Uhuru. Yeah, it's run by a guy called Big Ed Mustafa.
Mustafa. Where's my partner?
She's in that can.
무어가 뛰고 달렸던 가방 안엔 큰 폭탄이 들어있었고 그것을 한 무어는 매우 놀란 것 같습니다.
This is the Fillmore chapter of the VFW. Very few whites.
해리는 무어를 데리고 폭탄을 터뜨린 범인이 속해있던 흑인 투사대의 사무실에 오게 됩니다.
Sorry, honky. She can stay, but you got to go.
물론 그들은 백인에게 호의적이지 않습니다.
Look here. If it ain't the fuzz.
I'm looking for Ed Mustafa.
You hold some kind of warrant, honky?
What I'm holding is Henry Lee Caldwell.
What is Henry Lee into now?
He went white. Why? Did he do something else foolish?
Yeah. He and some friends of his were involved in a rip-off of the Hamilton Firearms.
헨리는 흑인 투사대를 떠나 폭탄을 훔친 사람들과 함께하며 도시를 테러한 것입니다.
One of my boys got busted on a possession charge.
해리는 무스타파에게 도움을 받기 위해 그와 거래를 합니다.
And I'll see what I can do.
Marvelous.
하지만 해리 일행이 떠난 후 경찰이 다시 흑인 투사대에 들이닥칩니다.
McKay of the San Francisco Police Department. I'm ordering you to throw down your weapons and come out peacefully.
그리고 안에 있던 흑인들을 모두 체포합니다.
Yet you want the credit to go to Inspectors Moore and Callahan?
서장은 선거를 앞둔 시장에게 무어와 해리에게 표창을 주려는 조언으로 한심을 삽니다.
You know, Captain, off the record, there are going to be some changes in the department after the election. And undoubtedly you'll figure greatly in my plans.
Here we are, gentlemen, the two inspectors who made the Mustafa arrest. This is Inspector Moore and Callahan.
Inspector Moore is one of the first of her sex in the whole country.
to become a full-time homicide investigator.
하지만 무스타파가 이 폭탄 테러의 주동자가 아니라는 것을 아는 해리는 시장과 서장에게 격렬하게 항의합니다.
Meanwhile, the people are still out there, and they're going to blow hell out of half this city.
All right, Callahan, button your lip. That's an order.
Captain, you want to jerk all these people off, you can, but don't do it with me.
That's it, Callahan. You just got yourself a 60-day suspension.
Make it 90.
180. Give me your star.
해리는 자리를 박차고 떠나버리고 무어가 그의 뒤를 따릅니다.
You don't give up, do you?
Sometimes. What do you want to be a cop for, anyway? Why aren't you married and having kids like everybody else?
Why aren't you?
Nobody in their right mind's asking.
You are cold, bold Callahan with his great big 44. Every other cop in this city is satisfied with a 38 or 357. What do you have to carry that cannon for?
So I hit what I aim at, that's why. Well, Inspector Moore.
해리는 무어와 사적인 대화를 나누면서도 그녀와 친밀해지는 것을 꺼려합니다.
You know, whoever draws you as a partner could do a hell of a lot worse.
Hey, nice to see you. How's the power running a little late, sir?
Everything set?
한편 시장은 야구장에 가는데 그곳을 빠져나오는 그를 노리는 사람들이 있습니다.
What the hell? Dave, get me out of this.
시장은 이렇게 시민혁명대에 납치를 당하게 됩니다.
You.
Right. That was the first report, and then later we heard that he was kidnapped. We don't know. There's something very heavy going on at China Basin, that's for sure.
The mayor of this pig city has been taken prisoner of war by the People's Revolutionary Strike Force.
범인들은 방송국에 전화해 시장을 납치한 것을 알리고 요구 조건을 전달합니다.
Hey man, look. I'm leaving a tape of our demands in the phone booth across the street.
I want all the information that you have on this case, Callahan.
You got him. Black militants, remember?
Come on, Harry, so we were wrong. Harry, we just got a tape. This time they're asking for $5 million.
경찰은 해리가 도와줄 것을 요청하면서도 서로 갈등이 심합니다.
Stating the point, I'm simply telling you, you're out of it.
What you're telling me is anyone who's got balls enough to grab a hostage, will do it, and can walk right away from it.
결국 서장은 무스타파를 풀어주고 해리는 그에게서 범인들을 추적할 단서를 알아냅니다.
Word has it that Bobby Maxwell and his chick Wanda do him in.
Oh, you can count on that.
해리는 시민혁명대의 두목인 바비의 애인인 완다를 찾아 나서는데
Well, ask Brzezinski. He runs the whole damn street.
Brzezinski, you're trespassing. This is private property.
She got religion. What do you mean?
그녀가 교회와 연관되어 있다는 것을 알게 됩니다.
I got the priest, John Boss, Father John. Very militant, very big in prison reform. He runs rehabilitation seminars in all the prisons around here, and this is a list of the prisons in the area. Bobby Maxwell. Never missed a session.
바비는 감옥을 돌며 설교하는 어느 교회 목사의 강좌에 열렬히 참여한 적이 있었습니다.
Exploded at a nuclear plant near Fessenheim, France.
해리는 바로 폭탄 테러범인 헨리가 도망쳤던 교회로 찾아갑니다.
God just might forgive you for this, but I...
What are you protecting these people for? You know how many they've killed?
Sacrifices have to be made, mister.
그때 수녀가 해리에게 총구를 겨누는데 마침 들어온 무어가 그녀를 처리합니다.
Wasn't supposed to be any killing.
Is she dead? Alcatraz.
이제 해리와 무어는 바비와 시장이 있는 알카트라즈 섬으로 쳐들어갑니다.
Jesus Christ, man, get your ass out there! Lalo, let's get the mayor. We'll bring him in here and hold up.
무어가 먼저 범인 일당과 함께 있는 시장을 발견합니다.
Move over there, Your Honor. Here we go. Hurry, look out!
그런데 시장을 구하는 과정에서 그만 무어가 총에 맞고 맙니다.
Just fine, man. Let me get you out of here.
Don't concern yourself. Get him.
범인을 잡으라는 말을 남기고 그녀는 그렇게 죽고 맙니다. 해리는 바비가 남기고 간 로켓으로 이제 그를 처단하려 합니다. 시장도 무사하고 시장은 해리에게 고마워하며 손을 내밀지만
Callahan, God, you saved my life. There'll be a letter of commendation there for you. Don't you worry. I'll take good care.
해리는 그에게서 차갑게 돌아섭니다.
The chopper's here.
해리는 무어의 시체 곁에서 안타까워하고 뒤늦게 도착한 서장은 범인들이 소탕된 것도 모르고 모든 조건은 들어주겠으니 시장을 풀어달라는 비굴한 메시지를 전하는 것을 보여주며 영화가 끝납니다.
So release the mayor. Pilot of this helicopter will fly you and your men to safety.
더티 해리 집행자 3는 해리의 파트너로 여자 형사가 등장하여 특별함을 보여주는데 강력계 형사로서 처음 일하게 되어 노련함은 없지만 영민하고 성실하게 노력하는 무어 형사의 모습을 보여주다 죽음을 맞이하는 것으로 끝나 해리의 파트너들의 비극이 반복되는 것 같아 더 안타까움을 느끼게 합니다. 특히 집행자에서는 해리가 여자 형사를 뽑는 것을 놀라워하고 무어가 강력계 최초 여자 형사로 나오는 등 70년대 미국 사회에서 여성이 사회활동이 확장되고 있던 시대상을 반영하며 또한 흑인 특사대가 등장하여 인종차별 갈등이 격렬하였으며 폭력적인 테러의 위험이 있는 사회였음을 보여주고 있습니다.